I just got a message from someone who wanted to know how to crop a photo with clip set such that he can remove the background. So let's look at, I have a photo here that I copied from Pixabay. Thank you, Pixabay. So I go to my file manager and then I bring this photo here. I just took a simple photo just to illustrate how you can change the image. This is a JPEG image. Let me reduce it a bit here. So I did it like this. Now any image at all you want, if you want to change the background, you want to use clip set, you will have to select this image, the image that you have or whatever you want from the background, give it a different color, and then or give it anything at all for you to be able to identify it well, and then just do a clip set. You can use any tool at all to outline what you want. Most people would use, for this one, somebody would use a circle, or you can also use the Bezier tool. I would use the Bezier tool. Depending on how your images, you can choose from these options. If you want to use the Bezier curve, you can use it as you click, you release your hand and you draw. But I wouldn't use that because for my for this one is easy. I'm just going to use the create spiral path so to make things easier. So I just click here and then I go here and click in the more or less here, and then I click here. Sorry, the first one did not come, but doesn't matter. You click at the corners to get a circle, and then you close it up. So now I've closed it up. Let me give it this color here for us to see. So you see it occupies where I want. So if you have a complex image, still you have to outline it and let it occupy. Draw something that really fits what you want in whichever form, using most of the time better the Bezier curve. Now after you've outlined what you want, all that you need to do is to select your outline that you want. If you want to see through, sometimes if it was complex, you would reduce the opacity a bit so that you can use the node tool to adjust some things. But for me now, mine, I don't need to adjust anything. Okay, so now with this this thing that we colored red selected, we go for our selection tool and then we select the background, and then we just go to object, clip sets, and then you have now what you want. So now what you want, if you want to put any a different background like I did here, I used a different background. You can go, for example, for your rectangle tool. Let's say now this is the background we want to give, for example. Then you can let's go for our selection tool and then you move it down. So this is how you can change the background of anything at all you have. You can use any color at all that you think it suits your needs. With this, I used this color here. So that's how you can crop a photo with clip sets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and in case you have any question or anything that you can't understand, send me a message and I'll try to do a video if I can. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel to help me, and please like it, my video, if it helped you in any way. Thank you. Bye.